loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this spring inspired nail art design. In my last nail art tutorial, I created this icy blue glitter with black flame nail art. I will put it up in the cards if you're interested. Underneath that video, a lovely lady by the name of Stephanie Rios requested that I do a floral springtime inspired nail art look, and this is what I came up with. I hope you loves enjoy the tutorial. I started off by painting my thumb and pinky nails with the LA Colors Color Last nail polish in the shade Champagne Sapphire, but I lost the clip, so I will insert a picture of the nail polish. And now I'm painting my index and ring fingernails with the Broadway High Shine nail polish in Snow White. On the nail on my middle finger, I'm going to take that Snow White color and apply it starting at the cuticle halfway down my nail. Now I'm taking that Champagne Sapphire nail polish down the rest of my nail, making sure that I thoroughly blend both colors together. After painting all of my nails, I applied a thin layer of the Hansen Insta-Dri top coat. For my springtime inspired design, I'll be using these really pretty hot pink butterflies and flowers that I purchased in a pack of 50 water decals off of the Wish app for only $2. After cutting out the designs, I let them soak in a little bowl of water for like 10 seconds. Then, using a pair of curved pointed tweezers that I picked up in, I think it was a 4 or 5 pack from Dollar Tree, I just place the decal on my nail and press it down. To seal in my water decals, I applied a thin layer of the LA Colors Color Last top coat. In addition to the water decals, on my index, middle, and ring finger nails, I will also be using the size 12 Cousin D.I.Y AB crystals. For cuticle oil, I'm using the Home & Body Co. Rose Body Oil, and I love the fact that it comes with a dropper because it makes it so easy to apply. Here's my completed spring inspired nail art. I absolutely love how the white and gold complement each other, along with the hot pink butterflies and flowers, and the AB crystals were a nice added touch. I would like to thank Stephanie Rios again for requesting that I make this video. I will make sure to list all of the products that I use down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!